Hello, and welcome to CIS 220. My name is Michael Slutton, and I'll be your instructor for this course. This is an informational video to show you how to navigate through this course in our Blackboard course shell. So when you first log in, you will see CIS 220 Introduction to Network Security. This is the course information page. And this is where you're going to find course information. There's a welcome video I've done here, which goes over these details here. The number one thing is, if you need to get in contact with me, the fastest way to do that is my Triton email at michaelsletton@triton.edu. And you can do that by clicking on Instructor Contact. By sending email, you can send email and then pick your user group that you want to send email to. Or you can look at the messages that you've sent within the course. Okay, so back to course materials. Back to course information. Course information. So if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see here the course information and syllabus. Here you're going to read about the online course approach, understanding explored practices, assignments, discussions, and assessment. I'll let you read through this. But go ahead and click here on this link. First thing you're going to see is the syllabus. I've attached a copy of the syllabus here as a PDF, and you can download it here so that you can see it offline. Okay. Let me share one thing in the syllabus though. If you scroll down, here's our grading policy. Here's all of our assignments. Here's our grading scale, the attendance policy of the course objectives, course requirements and the structure, and various other key components to the syllabus. Last day to drop. Now, next we have our course description, which you can read here. Then you'll have the course contacts. Here I am, and this is our class date, which we're going to run. Here's my email again. My phone extension at Triton. Email is the fastest way to get in contact with me. Just please email me. I respond very, very quickly. Office hours by appointment only. Office is the adjunct office in the M building. It's by online conference availability by appointment only. So if you need me, get in contact with me by michaelsletton@triton.edu. Overall learning goals. Upon successful completion of this course, the student will be able to describe and explain system-level vulnerabilities and measures which may be implemented to protect the system resources from abuse and misuse. Next, here's our textbook. It's CompTIA Security Plus Guide to Network Security Fundamentals, 6th edition, by Mark Ciampa. 16-week course. It's all online. Again, here's my Triton email address if you need to get in contact with me. Here's some general information, hardware, software requirements. If you don't have a computer, you can go to the Triton ETRC library, and they have computers there. Here's a tentative course schedule. This is also on the syllabus. Every week, we're going to have a hands-on summary, a quiz, and discussion board postings. I will load these dates once we confirm when the class is going to run. So you'll probably see something just a little bit different here. There'll be dates here. And then scroll down, final exam. And then here's some course policies about academic honesty, professionalism in the classroom. This is online. Attendance, it's going to be based on discussion board participation. And then if you need, please get in contact with the Center for Access and Accommodative Services. You can click on this link here, and then they'll let me know if you need an accommodation. Here's a grading policy, which is also on the syllabus. We have 14 hands-on project summaries at 25 points each for 350 total. Discussion board postings, we have 28 at 5 points each for 140 points total. Final exam is 50 questions at 1 point each for 50 points total. And then 14 quizzes at 10 points each for 140 points total. You can retake quizzes only once. The second attempt counts regardless of what the first grade was. You have 1 week after the original due date from when an assignment is due to turn it in, and it'll be deducted 20% automatically because it's late. Beyond 1 week late, it'll be credited with a 0. Here's the grading scale from 680 points down to 407. It's a 90, 80, 70, 60 scale. Points, letter grade, percentage. Very simple. Here are some videos that Triton wants you to view and to be aware of. Tips for success in this course. Keep up with the reading, complete all your assignments on time, assess your own comprehension, distribute your studying and establish a routine. This is going to take about 4 to 10 hours a week, maybe more or less, depending on how much you know and how much you want to put into it. Online academic support. Click on this link here, and it'll take you to the Triton College Library and other support resources. And then an introductory post. I would like you to click on this link here, and then you can post the link, introductory message about yourself. Here's a syllabus review confirmation. You need to do this for the rest of the course to open up. So you click on this link here and take this short little quiz. And then once you've done that, you can begin the course. Now, once you've done that, you will be able to go into different things like course materials. So every unit is laid out pretty much the same. There is an introductory video, which I have here for you. You just click on it and then you can watch it. And then there's a unit overview. I go through this whole thing in these videos. What we're going to do, the framing questions to get you thinking about what's going to happen in the unit, and then the objectives in the unit. Exploring, this is normally reading from the chapter, and then there's usually a video or two. Again, here's these videos that Triton wants to make you aware of, so you understand how to do different things like submit an assignment and then an overview of assignments. Every unit will have a hands-on summary. These are different hands-on activities. And then you click on the link here and you'll be able to submit your document. PDF is fine. Discussion board. Here's discussion board question. And then you click here to participate in the discussion board thread. And then at the very end, you'll have a 10-question, 20-minute quiz. So that's course materials. And you'll see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way down to 14 chapters, 15, and then the final exam. Then we have the, let's go to discussion board. Discussion board. So we have the discussion board here, and once you go in, you're going to create a thread, and then you're going to respond to that week's question. And then we have announcements. I put the welcome message in here also, just so it's in 2 places. And then my grades. So my view might be a little bit different than yours, but here you'll see your grade versus how many points possible. And then achievements, my view might be a little bit different than yours. Okay. And then if you have any questions, you can click here, create a thread. If you have questions, email me. Here's some online academic support. Again, here's Blackboard help. And then, yeah, that should be it. So